Neath is a busy town just off the M4 and probably the last place you'd expect to see a young farmers club, but for the last 80 years the Constitutional Club in the heart of Neath is where the young farmers of the area meet every Wednesday night. But tonight we're going somewhere different. Hi, I'm Ryan Griffiths from Neath Young Farmers and I'm the Vice Chairman this year, and we've come to Dynamic Rock in Swansea to do a spot of climbing. Neath Young Farmers is a young farmers club which has been running for 75 years this year. We normally meet in the centre of Neath in the Constitutional Club, but we're all from farms. We're all just local people like you and I. The club's been going, as I say, for 75 years. We've held many competitions over the years. We've just come out of the public speaking season and the stock judging season, which obviously Neath has done very well in again. Very proud of the members. We have members of all ages, ranging from 11 to 25, and two of them are Delith and Ceres. So, have you enjoyed tonight, Kat?
Yes, it's been very exciting, thanks.
Yeah, good. Did you fall off the wall? I did.
Twice.
Oh, did you? Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. What about you, Dad?
Some people better than others, I suppose.
Did you fall off?
Yeah.
Same, yeah. So what competitions have you two been doing in the Young Farmers this year then?
Stock judging and public speaking mostly.
Yes, public speaking just last week where Neath swept the board.
Yeah.
Again.
I understand you've both done quite well this year in all competitions, not just those two.
Well, we all try our best, eh?
Yeah.
Second
So what-
part that counts. Like.
That's right, that's right. So what do you think of Neath Young Farmers as a club then?
It's the best dream.
Yeah, it's great. A lot of young members, so hopefully you'll carry on for years to come.
Yeah. Good young members are going to stay or good young members are going to go?
Good young members that will stay.
Hopefully they'll stay.
There's always something good happening, so.
Yeah.
Good well guys, just watch it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Back to you. How's it going up there now? How's it going? You're not going anywhere. Come on. Well, 2011 has been a fantastic year for Neath Young Farmers, and I hope 2012 lives up to it as well. In the next coming months, we're going ice skating and pantomime practicing, so I hope to see you there. Thank you for visiting.